Good afternoon, my name is Paulina. I am going to tell you about the Grammarly application. Grammarly is in English a spell checker that allows you to write email, contracts, and all kinds of text in English correctly and in a very simple way. Okay, I am going to do a demonstration. We are going to look for text. Then we will proceed to translate it. Okay, then we will copy the already translated text and proceed to paste it into our Grammarly application. In this, one moment. Okay, as we can see on the right side, we have the result of our text. Okay, the next application that I will explain is Voice of America. The Voice of America is the international radio and television service of the government of the United States of America. These programs aim to make English as easy and possible and even fun. Okay, I will proceed to make a demonstration. Okay, as we can see, it's option in this page, and we can see several options. In this case, I am going to choose the one that say COVID-19. Okay. Well, this is news. For example, this. Let's see a little how we could see this English, and this is very good to improve our vocabulary. And that will by my part. And thank you for attention, and then my partner.